Hello, Wadsworth Public Library friends. It's Julie Tenney here again, and today we are going to show you how to plant potatoes and onions. And first I'm going to show you what varieties we plant. Your local hardware should have this, and if you have a local farm store near you, they usually have potatoes as well. So we like to grow several different varieties, but we're only going to grow 3 this year. We are going to grow red Pontiac, which is a red potato, and a russet, which is the one normally you would see in the grocery store. And then we also have Yukon Gold. It's a little more of a round potato. And the flesh of this potato is a yellowy color. It's rather attractive. Nice mashed potatoes. The other thing we're going to grow is, I'm going to show you how we're going to plant our onions. Okay, that's what the little onion seeds would look like. And when they're young, you will see, we'll show you that later, when they're young you will see green onions like you get out of the store. So the first thing we're going to do, you just grab your potato, just keep them with you, but we are going to you have to till up the soil enough so that it is not hard, but then you're going to want to take it down to about 6 inches deep in order to get that potato in the ground, and we usually plant them about 12 inches apart. Okay, so we plant them about 12 inches apart all the way up the row, and then you can plant onions about 3 inches deep. So we're going to do the potatoes first. Once you've put the potatoes in the ground, it's one of the most simple things to plant. And then you just take it, you cover up, and you just go on either side of this soil. We're not going to do it yet because we haven't even planted the rest of our row. But you just take the soil, you cover up the potato, and then take this and cover up the other side. And that's it. You don't want to pack it in, you just want to cover it.
And then about how long later do you hill them?
In probably about a month.
Yep.
And then 1 month later, you will hill them, and you create a big mound over top of those potatoes. You go back through, because you'll probably be weeding these potatoes anyways. The key to a good garden is weeding, and it's usually everybody's least favorite project. But if you're dedicated to growing your own vegetables, you must weed in between your plants. So that's all I have for you today, and you guys have a wonderful day.